All right, the saga continues. So got a little fresh, you know what I mean, a couple of days have passed, trying to figure out if On Fire Auto Customs could find another stock grill. They were having some issues, they were used or cracked or messed up. And I was doing some investigation myself, but an option is I'm gonna take Mindy's grill, you know what I'm saying, it's right here. Oh, hey, don't break it, don't break it. So I'm gonna take Mindy's grill and see if possibly we can get this wrapped. If not, we're gonna have to go from there, but at least, as always, let's see what they're talking about. Yo!
Man, these cars are crazy. Did you see that?
All right, made it down here over at Wrap Pros. Wrap Pros, located in Montclair, California. And I don't know, it's shot in the dark, but let's see what happens. Fingers crossed, but we ain't really too sure.
Oh
Look, yeah.
no. Go ahead.
So, all right.
Oh, thank you. I didn't know I ordered a grill.
Right. Okay, so repainting a car because it got an accident. The burgundy Lexus that I wanted. Remember, I was like, oh, look at the colors and all that. Well, somebody ended up hitting it. Yeah, when it was parked. So got it totally redone. Yeah. But with that, obviously,
has this been painted?
Yeah, obviously you can see it's been painted, and then they said, hey, you know, if you can, try to get another another stock one. Okay. And they can repaint it. You know, with some stuff they can warranty the work, other stuff it's like, hey, we could do it. And I was like, well, let me see if it can be wrapped, but I know it might be hard just because of all the individual teeth.
You called it, bro. We don't wrap anything like this. Because a flat surface will not adhere to all these intricate pieces.
Okay.
Yeah. So what we usually recommend is having these painted.
Right.
Because it'll last longer. You could also do plastic dip, but I wouldn't put that on.
Because you can see it's already been painted. Whoever did it earlier, like
you can tell where they didn't paint it.
It runs, and you know what I mean. Yeah. But so I'll just tell them, like, you know what, just go over with the gloss black, and it is what it is.
100% would be the easiest and fastest way.
Okay.
Plus, it's already off, so that's half the battle.
Okay.
You know, but wrap would definitely not be good.
Okay.
So we don't wrap grills, and we don't wrap wheels. We powder coat wheels, and then we send these off to get painted.
Can that be powder coated?
This cannot be powder coated because it's plastic.
Okay.
Yeah. So
and I didn't want to put no adhesive on it. Yeah. I mean, not adhesive, but anything that to break down the paint because it'll eat away the plastic.
I would just say go over it because it's not perfect, but it's not bad.
Right.
So once you do another nice coat, it'll look even better.
Cool.
Yeah.
All right.
But
well, look, I told you guys I trust them, and this, like I said, Wrap Pros over here in Montclair. Here's just some of the examples of how they get down, and if they don't have a color or anything like that for you, they can get it, and if you have a design, they can make it.
Yes, sir.
All right here, all custom work. You know what I mean? You see the guys in here getting down? You know what I mean? That looks like the ambulance right there.
That's exactly what they are, bro.
Yeah. All right, man. I appreciate you.
As always, brother.
Thank
you so much for
Indeed.
Anything else, you know where to reach us.
Yeah. It was a shot in the dark because I was like, you know. Sure. So cool. I appreciate you guys.
You're welcome, man.
Right here. You got any questions? That's who to hit up.
There you go.
All right, y'all. For sure.
Have a good day, man. Have a good one.
All right. Well, let's go back. Drop the grill off and just tell them, paint it. It is what it is. All right. It's all good though. Tried it. Isn't car stuff fun? But that's what makes cars so beautiful, because nothing's easy. And when something comes out good and it's beautiful artwork, the ones that know appreciate it. Let's go drop this off back at On Fire Auto Customs and let them know. You already know what it is. Yeah, I don't want to even take a peek. I don't even want to look to see Mindy's car. I don't want to do it. Not yet. So, took it down to the wrap shop, and what they said is kind of like what we figured. They don't do in between. And he was like, we don't wrap grills, usually we powder coat it. I'm like, wait, can you powder coat? He's like, no, we can't because of material. Yeah. He was like, I would just, you know, just go back to the shop and just maybe have them spray it, you know, like a gloss black, and that's what it is.
Spray, bro.
More glossy.
The thing is that, like, let's say we were to spray, bro, all this would cause reactions with our pan, and we just start bubbling.
Big from what's already laid down, and then the new one, it wouldn't.
It would cause a reaction.
Okay. Yeah, I mean. Yep. I don't know. I mean, can't get it wrapped, and then I guess we just have to keep it like that. You know what I mean? Like,
because I found one, but it was a different pattern. Look, I'm gonna show you.
and I mean, but are we still hit with the same problem? To where even if we find a new one, it's still gonna have to get sprayed. Is it?
That was black already, but
oh, it is.
It's gonna be hard finding one that's not
Right. Or even if it's like no front end damage. Yeah.
Like semi-used.
So you're saying
Yeah, because that was semi-used.
normally you could spray it, but because it's already done over, you don't want to touch it, or
And even if it was, I wouldn't touch it, but we wouldn't spray it. That even if we were to paint, but you wouldn't even do it. My dad wouldn't want to do this.
so it would have to be already in.
Yeah.
Just and I couldn't find any. All right, I didn't even want to come look at the car. I'm like, nope. I've been kind of because this episode is still continuing from the last one. So
either way, bro, I can't let you see the car no more.
Oh, so the next one's gonna be the reveal.
The next one's gonna be one that's put together, sanding maybe.
That's why I haven't.
We're probably gonna start sanding tomorrow. Right?
But that's why Mindy hasn't even come down or anything like that.
You wanna see it?
Huh?
You see this grill?
What?
Check this grill. I think that is different.
Oh, yeah, it has more teeth.
Yeah, it has more teeth, and then the other one, you see.
Oh, that's a whole different model.
That's a whole different model.
Yeah.
Those are the only ones that we were able to find on eBay.
Okay.
That's a problem.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna talk to Mindy, and I'm gonna ask her one more thing because I could possibly just buy a whole different type of grill.
Yeah.
But if I do that, then
And I have the M one.
I know that's what I'm saying. So, all right. Well, I appreciate. Last thing. All right, heading out of here. What you guys didn't see, I had to turn off the camera because I got a little sneak peek of the car, and I don't know if I want to show you guys the car again or just wait for the final reveal. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I think I'll just wait for the final. I don't know. We'll see what's up, man. But as always, please like and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed a day in the life of my struggle. And if you can, follow me on Instagram at Import Life Media, man. Always trying to bring you good content, shows, events, what I got going on, and just life, man. Sometimes life be lifing. Stay tuned. Check out the next episode. If this is your first time, go back and see why we even ended up at a body shop. Check out Mindy's Car Gets Hit and everything after that, y'all. All right, y'all. Stay blessed.